What I did notice, this has obviously had either the timing chain replaced or it's had a new clutch. It's definitely had a new clutch. But whoever has done that in the past has done all the bolts up from underneath and could not be bothered to do the task I did yesterday, which is not fun, remove everything else, to get the top bolt in. So there is an M10 hole right here, which is right above where a little bit of weeping's coming from. So I'm gonna go get myself to BMW, get myself a bellhousing M10, and we're gonna chuck that in, torque that down.